Although a federal judge found former BVU executive Stacey Pomrenke guilty of criminal contempt of court for contacting witnesses before her trial, tonight she will go home awaiting sentencing on more than 12 corruption charges.
Community watchdog Nate Morbido's monitored the case since the beginning and spent the day in federal court in Abingdon, Virginia, where Pomrenke is now expected to learn her fate maybe Thursday. Right, Nate?
Things just took too long today, so on Thursday everyone will pick up where they left off today. The exhausting day in court ended with Stacey Pomrenke in tears as two medical professionals who testified on her behalf told the judge just how devastating it would be if she's sent to prison, specifically how devastating it would be on her children. She left court today shielded by some of her supporters, knowing now that she gets to spend at least 2 more nights at home with her kids because sentencing now will continue Thursday. We should mention that the defense only got to call 2 of its 7 witnesses today, both medical professionals, one a family physician who said that Stacey Pomrenke helped save the life of one of her kids. Both said they are aware of unique medical issues both kids have, and that's why they believe it would be devastating for their mother to leave their house. Prosecutors called 8 witnesses throughout the day that showed recent mismanagement and poor record keeping under her watch at BVU, also described a history of fraud going back to her college years. Earlier in the day, the federal judge found her guilty of contempt of court because she reached out to possible witnesses ahead of her trial. She could face anywhere between 51 to 63 months in prison. That's based on some revised sentencing regulations. Prosecutors want that high end. Her defense team wants to keep her out of prison if at all possible. She shook her head as the judge read that verdict out loud to her. This is a woman who walked into court today with a very real possibility that she'd walk out in federal custody. She won't return now until Thursday, a free woman until she officially learns her fate Thursday beginning at 9 a.m.
All right.